Chicago will win by 17, and they'll get home court back and have a chance to take a competitive 3-1 series.
What are you doing, Zoe?
I'm not doing that. What are you talking about? I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that.
Are you trying to drink that juice box?
Just get a little juice part over there. Just a little sip.
Yeah, is it good?
She's like, what are you, the Poco, man? Turn the light on. Turn that light on my face. Mommy's a cop.
Is it good? Mmm.
I don't know. Daddy's asked me if there's anything in there.
Is Daddy being greedy again? Hmm. You trying? She's like, I hear it. It's just not working.
You are adorable. You're too much.